How to use Apple TV Plus Dolby Atmos audio. First of all, go ahead and make sure that your hardware is compatible and supports Atmos. Once you have made that sure, simply check your audio as well and make sure that your television can pass through high quality audio or directly decode Dolby Atmos. Once you've done so, connect your hardware correctly using the HDMI in port on your soundbar or receiver, and then configure your Apple TV 4K audio settings. Simply open settings on your Apple TV 4K, select the video and audio, then click audio format. From there, you can change format. Make sure that the change format option is turned off and look below at the immersive audio section and verify that the Dolby Atmos is toggled on. That is how you can use Apple TV Plus Dolby Atmos audio. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.